Hi, my name is Ken. I'm 35 years old. I'm a husband.
Why you wake up so early on weekend? Dad?
Oh, I'm also a father.
Morning, son.
Are we going for Birdster today?
Of course we are.
That's
don't
why
you
I
pack up
have to get up early and work overtime on the weekends.
We'll go right now.
My profession is a bird feeder designer. In order to fulfill my promise to take my family to the park for hiking and bird watching, I must complete the innovative design of the new generation of bird feeder within 2 hours. These are all materials that can be used for the previous bird watching devices. What else is there that other products haven't done? Wood? No. Metal? No. Plastic? Absolutely not.
Dad? Can we go now?
Forget it, buddy. Your dad is too busy. He's going to break his promise again. We are not going to the park today.
I disappointed my son again because I couldn't think of a good idea for a new product.
Hey there, buddy. What you got there?
Dad, I wish I could help you.
My son is right. I should design a bird feeder that the whole family can complete together.
All right, what do we got in here?
This is the inspiration from my son, the new generation of Birdster model bird feeder device. The appearance is made of environmentally friendly materials, allowing everyone to do it yourself according to their preferences, just like what my family and I have done. Assembled from building blocks, it has been meticulously tested to ensure a robust structure. The material surfaces have undergone special treatment to be waterproof and sun-resistant, meeting the needs for outdoor use. It is easy to replenish bird food. Equipped with an integrated solar panel and a custom-designed camera compartment, all of which make it look incredibly sophisticated and cool. Top-of-the-line camera configuration. When the little bird arrives, it can clearly capture their cute appearance. Provides AIGC artistic creation functions and app community interaction functions, allowing you to post your creative photos online and share the joy of birdwatching with birdwatching enthusiasts around the world.
Click to support the Birdster Pixel. Reimagine your bird and have more fun with your family.